got back at Leopards before I left Leopards. Very exciting. He's got a visionary midfielder. He's an 8 and a 6. I think it will serve us for the club. Also, you add value in terms of experience and also helping because our team is also made up of a lot of leaders where they come from. The Kozo, him, Lambo, a lot of leaders. Wash Arun. So you can see that it's not a experience.
And how was it in that period when things were not going well, especially for them? Because you know in South Africa, 2-3 games things are not going well and then they start saying the coach must go.
Yeah, it's always like that, but we know we've had a very good pre-season. We had a pre-season where we went very hard with Coach Dan at the time we faced accounting and everyone. And before we knew that things were not always going to be easy from the beginning, but we had to stick together because the only thing that we could control at the moment was our camp. We cannot control the face of results because football it's not even fun. It's about sports that has got faces. You have to jump faces before you get to and you have to believe and trust in whatever system.